Hello everyone, welcome to Big Tech Creations. In this video, I am going to review this Flipkart Smart Buy wireless earphones. So first let's get to the product. This is a wireless headphone, and like all other wireless headset, it has three buttons. The middle button to pause and to play the video, the plus button to increase the volume and also to move the forward track. To reduce the volume, this third button to reduce the volume and to move to the previous track. So it's a simple normal wireless Bluetooth headset. It's actually right now on. Let me off it. When you off it, there's a red indication over here. And when you buy this wireless headset, you get a wire charger to charge this one, and you get ear caps and ear hooks. You get a user's manual, and that's it. And also a Thanksgiving card from Flipkart. It's a product by Flipkart. Now to the product. So first you have to pair. The first time when you have to pair, you have to press for a long time. I already paired it, so I do have to give a long press, but not that. See, the Bluetooth and that headset is showing it's going to pair, and it's paired right now. You can see Smart Buy. And another cool feature of this Bluetooth headset is that it shows the battery level containing in the Bluetooth headset. It shows the Bluetooth headset's battery percent when you pair. It shows the battery level. And see, at the time of notification also, over here near the Bluetooth symbol, it shows the amount of battery left in the wireless Bluetooth headset. Near the Bluetooth symbol you can see it shows the amount of charge remaining in the wireless Bluetooth headset. And when you on the Bluetooth headset and when you pair it, you can hear an audio saying that the Bluetooth is paired, the Bluetooth headset is paired, which is also another cool feature. And when you switch off the Bluetooth, also you can get another audio notification from this Bluetooth headset that the Bluetooth headset is no longer paired. So, and for this price point of 628 rupees, for which I bought from Flipkart, I think it's a perfect product. It's a more value for money. It has good quality. Though it doesn't have best bass and best performance, it is a very good quality, and you can operate it from almost 10-meter range. You can the phone will be paired to the Bluetooth headset to almost the 10-meter range. And this is another wired headphone I bought for 700 and something from the Flipkart itself. And this is a wired device but I still prefer the wireless headset more than the wired headset. So imagine if your phone you have kept like this for charging, and you want to hear music, and that circumstances. Also imagine you went for jogging, or you just have to part your phone at a distance and you have to listen to the music or to any of the audio. And also at this time of lockdown, you have to hear a lot of lectures, a lot of college notes, school notes, etc. And for such things, this is very good. This product is very recommendable. And I got a playback time of almost 7 hours. The company says 6 hours. When I used this, I bought only 2 weeks before from the Flipkart, and I bought it and I got the product at 2nd June. And this product is very satisfying for me for this price point. For me, it's a very, very value for money product. And in this time of lockdown, you will be having a tight budget. So in the budget of 628 rupees, I think this product is really, really good. Though it doesn't have best bass and best performance, it has a very good clear sound, good clarity, and I used it continuously for 4 to 5 hours, and I didn't get any ear pain at all. And it's very, very good product. I think the battery is also good. I got 7 hours battery life in it. And in the notification screen, I can also see the amount of battery left in my wireless headset also. So I think this is the best product, best wireless headset you can buy right now for listening to your college and or school lectures and for music. Thank you. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to Beta Creations. Thanks again.